So now I'm gonna create or work on assignment 3.2. I'm gonna connect to my folder on my desktop, which is labeled assignment 3.2, which has all the data and instructions that I need to finish this assignment. So you can see here we have streets, neighborhoods, and foreign businesses. Foreign businesses is where the data is actually by address, city, state, zip, and it has a business name and phone number and type of business and stuff like that. So we have to geocode this one. To do that, in order to do that, first we need to create an address locator. So to create an address locator, right click in the folder and go to new and say new address locator, and I'm gonna select. We need US streets with zone locator, which is down here. Where is US street with zone? There you go, with zone. I'm gonna select that and hit OK, and now it's gonna ask me what I'm gonna call it PGH streets, and reference data is my street data, right? I'm gonna go back to my assignment 3.2 folder and select PGH streets, and it automatically populates everything I need. And I'm gonna go with the defaults, hit OK, and it's gonna create the address locator for us here. Just in a minute you're gonna see a red tool sort of a thing that is actually created in your ARC catalog. So now you can see the address locator is created. Now I'm gonna open a new ArcMap, and I'm gonna add all the layers here, 3.2, and now I'm gonna right click on the foreign businesses, and I'm gonna click geocode addresses and click and select the PGH streets and add them. Now I'm adding the address locator to be used to geocode these addresses, and I'm gonna click OK. Now I'm gonna make sure the address is address and zip code is the zone. Now I'm gonna save it in my 3.2 folder called as foreign business. Click OK. And let's see here, we have about 26% unmatched. Okay, now I'm gonna take a look at what's been matched, what's not. I'm gonna go back to my display and display my businesses here as push pins, and that's an ugly push pin. Reduce the size to maybe 10, go with different color, add some yellow to it, and the neighborhoods, make neighborhoods very light because it's a ground feature, and the streets has to be maybe a little less obvious. So now I can see all the businesses that have been plotted right now. For the 26% other businesses, the thing is, you can go and review and rematch your addresses. Click on that, and it's gonna pop up a table sort of a thing, and if you're gonna closely observe, the matching status is actually, if you sort it by ascending, all the lower ones are not matched, right? These are the ones you are worried about right now. So if you wanna correct some of these, at least 5 of them, it's a good idea to do that, because the assignment asks you to do that. and I'm gonna look at this one. What's going on here? The 2020 Penn Avenue. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Internet Explorer, click on that, see if I actually find anything related to that. Okay, it says the zip code is actually PA15222. Let's see what we have here. Oh, we have no, we don't have a proper zone. Now I corrected it. Now I see the address has popped up with a score of 100. I'm gonna say click on that and match. So similarly you're gonna find other ones. Okay, you're gonna look for inconsistencies and errors. Maybe look at, maybe, yeah, Google Maps would do just fine. I'm gonna paste in this address just to see what's going on there. So it says maybe the address is wrong here. So now you get the idea how to actually look for addresses, and look for 5 of these which you can actually correct. Maybe the zip code is wrong, or maybe the address is spelled wrong, and yeah, you have to find 5, any 5, it doesn't really matter. You have a lot of records to be found, about 25, I would say 28. So do that, and after doing that I'm gonna attach my uh, businesses to my neighborhoods. Click on some, click on OK. So what it does is it's gonna give me a sum of businesses by neighborhood, so we can see which neighborhoods are actually doing better in terms of attracting foreign businesses and why some of them are not. So probably it has some policy implications. We'll have to re-examine that later. So once that is done, I'm gonna go to my properties of the layer, go to symbology, and go to quantities. Graduated colors would do. It's obviously it's my machine, which is 4 gigs, is running too slow, so I have to compromise on my graphics. But foreign businesses FID count is what I'm interested in. Gonna click on that and move it down. Now actually you can see there is a definite trend around here. We have a couple of clusters in this area around along the river and in the mess, in the middle of nowhere. So again, just create a proper layout and yeah, submit it in Blackboard. Okay, I hope by now you all know how to actually create a good layout, insert title, legend, text, labels for neighborhoods, and now yeah, and make sure it's presentable. Okay, now I'm not gonna spoon feed you how to create layouts, so it's up to you. Thank you.